bullies know how to use power. Just as schoolyard bullies need the school to turn a blind eye to work, women bullies need the same with a firm's power structure to prey on other women. If men dominate that power structure, that means women bullies must know how to work this structure to their advantage. More specifically, women bullies must know how to play the powerful men in the workplace. That usually means the woman bully attempts to trigger one or more 3 primitive instincts in these men. To see what these instincts are, and to see how a male-dominated power structure enables women bullies, go to my post, Women Bullying Women by Playing Powerful Men at Work.